Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy, world popular classic breakfast French toast. And I have done a twist to it by making them eggless. Hope you guys like it. For the French toast, take a bowl. Just make sure that you use one with a flat bottom, and to this add 1 cup of milk. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can replace it with cinnamon as well. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add salt to your taste. And finally add half cup of regular flour. Mix everything to form a lump-free batter. Our batter needs to be smooth and very thin in consistency. It is important to form a thin batter so that our bread can be soaked easily. You can see that our batter is nice and smooth, so let's keep this aside. Heat a pan and to this add 1 tablespoon of butter. And melt the butter on medium heat. Let us dunk the bread into the batter. Make sure that both the sides of the bread are soaked. Place the soaked bread in pan and cook on medium flame for 2 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. It has been over 2 minutes. Let's flip the toast and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Alright, so the other side of the toast is also done. So let's take them out of the pan. Our eggless French toast is now ready. Serve them hot with some yummy fresh fruits and drizzle over some amazing maple syrup or honey. Do try them guys, they are so good, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.